What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to detangle my hair, whether that's inside the shower or outside of the shower, whichever you prefer. Obviously, I prefer to detangle my hair inside the shower, get my hair really saturated. This also rinses out any product I may have in my hair, not entirely though. I then break my hair into sections, continue to get my hair saturated, and detangle under running water with my wooden comb that has been through it. Don't look too close, right? I do this section by section and then boom, detangled hair for the win. Now it's time to shampoo. A good hair week starts off with clean hair and clean scalp. I start my shampoo sessions by applying shampoo on my edges and then massage the scalp with my fingertips, of course, not fingernails. We're not trying to dig out the scalp, we just want to like massage it, you know. I then drag the product down my strands to remove any product buildup so we can start on a clean, fresh slate. I do this on both sides of my hair. I split my hair in half and then apply more shampoo in the midsection of my hair. Then I continue to break my hair down into more sections and massage the shampoo into my scalp. I continue to gently drag the product down my strands as well. I'm not really trying to rip through my hair. I'm not trying to detangle with a shampoo, guys. I'm just trying to like gently pull this product down my strands. Then we rinse. When rinsing my hair, I let the water do all the work for me. I don't try and pull on my hair too much. Real gentle and shake at roots while dragging the water down. I shake my roots a lot. I sometimes squeeze the product out of my hair. I just want to make sure I'm being very gentle anytime I shampoo. Then I bring all my hair over and continue to rinse. I gotta make sure I get all the product out. So back in we go. I still have some product in my hair right here, as you can see. Right now we're all rinsed out and clean and ready to deep condition. This is just one of my hair routines. I don't always deep condition, but a good deep condition session is always beneficial, right? I usually deep condition in the shower, but I filmed a deep conditioner hunt video that day. The video has already been posted and uploaded and on the channel. Check it out. I put my hair into a bun, shower, and we're going to change location. As I said, I usually do this in a shower, but I was filming a video, so you're getting to see the process, sort of, kind of. No, I don't deep condition every wash day. As I said, it depends on how my hair feels. If my hair feels dry or like it's breaking a lot, then I may deep condition or do my quick wash day routine. I have a whole series dedicated to how I deep condition my hair, so check it out. I'm not going to go too much into details on deep conditioning. Basically, make sure your hair is saturated, apply the product, boom, right? If you want to take your deep conditioning routine up a notch, you know, raise it up a little bit, I use heat. I used a heated cap in this video. I deep condition anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes with heat. As I said, I'm using my heated cap. I also have a dryer. I also have the blow dryer attachment where you put that over your head and deep condition. We're true to this. I love deep conditioning my hair with heat from time to time. Now time to rinse out the deep conditioner. Guys, hear me out. It's important to note that I am using cold water or sometimes room temperature water throughout the video. I don't have hot water or a heater, which really isn't a problem. Well, for my hair loves cold water. I mean, that's probably because that's what I had to get used to. Anyway, let us rinse. The hair was giving, listen, the hair was giving moisturized. All caps, exclamation mark. You already know buns be saving lives, well, especially my life. I put my hair in a bun until I was ready to moisturize and style. I started the moisturizing process by parting my hair. I asked for help just to make the part a lot more neat. Thank you, Kayla. I parted my hair in half, spritzed my hair with water to then apply the leave-in conditioner. I continue to break the section down even more to apply more leave-in conditioner evenly. Well, to get it evenly distributed throughout my hair while I detangled my hair with a brush. I also applied a little gel on the edges, which is optional. I usually do because my hair would just curl up on each other and not stay down. So I usually apply a gel to keep my hair down, not necessarily sleek, just to keep my hair down, especially for the first day, since I not too long ago washed my hair. My hair is usually unruly the first couple of days before my cuticles lay flat. I spritzed my hair with water, broke my hair into half, continued to break it down into sections to apply the leave-in conditioner, then applied my gel. I did all of that to prepare my hair for my go-to style. Ta-da-da! You guys probably already know what it is. Well, one of them, it's my flat twist hairstyle. It's my 2 flat twist, that hairstyle. If you can't flat twist, I already tell y'all, this is not a tutorial. There are plenty tutorials on here how to flat twist, but Reza have not given you one of them, right? I just make sure that my hair is detangled, moisturized, and twisted. I also like to tie my hair up to make the style more so protective and off of me, of course. Don't you hate when you miss a couple strands? Too bad, because I was not retwisting my hair. Sorry, not sorry. I tucked it away somehow eventually, and I was out the door because we had somewhere to go per usual. I would leave the style in for about a week. I would moisturize every couple of days or so by sealing with a grease. I have a lot of videos on my channel where I show you how I use grease, so you can check those out. But yeah, this is basic, simple, quick. Well, I have an even quicker hair growth routine, but this is one of them. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I see you in the next one. Bye.